What's up everybody and welcome back to my channel. Today we are going to be doing our fall FabFitFun unboxing, or my fall FabFitFun unboxing. I know I've been gone for a while. I'm sorry. I've been super busy with work. I've literally been working like 50+ hour weeks. It's literally insane for like the last month and a half, almost 2 months now, but we're back. We're getting back on track and I've got a lot of fun things planned for you guys. There's literally a pile of stuff over here of things that I have to film and use videos for. So we're gonna get into all that really soon. But today we are doing FabFitFun. So first up, we have this super cute and cozy waffle knit blanket. I have been in the process of redoing a lot of things in my house, clothing, decor, all sorts of stuff. And one of the things that I've been working on redoing is my blanket collection. I have like a dozen different Sherpa and fleece blankets, and I don't really have anything other than that. So I decided recently that I want to redo a lot of the things in my life and get rid of like the quantity and get better quality items and more variety, especially with like the blanket collections that I've been having 10 of the same kind of blankets. I now have a variety. I have 2 different faux fur blankets, one that's more of a longer faux fur, the other one that's like a shorter, thicker faux fur. I have this silky velvety type blanket that I got from Target, and now I have a waffle knit one. So we have a better variety of blankets in our collection now, and I'm super excited to try this one out. Probably gonna use this while I'm editing this video, not gonna lie. The next choice item in my box I'm super excited for, wrong side, it's Coach. I absolutely love Coach, one of my favorite perfumes growing up, which was Coach Poppy. I don't believe they make it anymore. To my knowledge, they don't make it anymore. Every now and then I see it online somewhere, but I think they're always like dupes. So when I seen that this earring and necklace set was an option for this month's box, I had to get it. I'm not sure if it's gonna focus on this. It's this really pretty gold set. I will say I was a little disappointed. I didn't realize until after I selected this item that the earrings were different from the necklace. I thought the earrings were also the crystal with the logo around it. I didn't realize they were flowers, but I am still gonna wear them a lot, especially the necklace. I will definitely be wearing this necklace a ton this fall. The next and last choice item in my box is this super cute buffalo plaid baseball hat. So I have been wanting more, I guess, like fashionable wearable hats versus just a plain black hat, just to add a little bit of, I don't know, the spice. Just to add a little bit of spice or pop to an outfit just by dressing it up like this. It has a pattern on it, so it's just a little bit different than a plain black or white hat. And I love it because it is perfect for fall. I will definitely be wearing this for football games and all sorts of fun outdoor things. I absolutely love it. I love that it's not super tight. I feel like a lot of baseball caps are usually super tight. I know it's adjustable, but I love the way that it fits already. Super cute, love it. The next item I chose in my box is actually something I've been wanting to try for a while. Not specifically this brand, but collagen in general. This is the Dose & Co. Pure Collagen Unflavored Collagen Peptides. I have been wanting to try a collagen powder for a while, but I haven't sat down and done the research to figure out which brand specifically I wanted to try to test it out. And so when I seen this as an option, I was like, easy, I don't have to make a decision. We're just gonna add this to our box and we're gonna try it out. So super excited to try this, and I will definitely be giving you guys an update on this. Heineken. 0% alcohol, 100% taste. FabFitFun sent us a non-alcoholic beer. Look how little it is. Oh my god. It's so tiny. Thanks. Thanks. Anyway, that was kind of odd and random. On to the next item. We have a Pure Louise face mask. It is the Pumpkin and Ginger Detox Charcoal Mask. I have to smell this. I love ginger. I love pumpkin. Who doesn't love pumpkin? We basic out here. But I do love ginger. I'm curious to see how this smells. I have a feeling it's gonna smell more gingery than pumpkin-y. Oh, that actually smells really nice. Like if I could buy this in like a candle scent, oh, it is the perfect balance of like warm pumpkin and just like herbally spice without it being like overly spicy, because I feel like some pumpkin spice type scented candles are very overdone with the cloves, but the ginger is a nice touch of spice without it being overpowering. I love that. I can't wait to use this. I love charcoal mask to begin with, and it smells great, and I'm pretty sure I have a pumpkin hand and foot mask from last year's FabFitFun that I completely forgot I had. It ended up in a box, and when I was cleaning my bathroom the other day, I found it. I was like, I forgot I had these, and it's just in time because it's fall, and so now I can use those with my new mask that'll go with it. So the Heineken and the mask FabFitFun sent everybody. This last item is the item that they chose for me. So the items that they choose for you now are like little bundle deals. So you either get like bundle A, bundle B, or bundle C, versus them individually selecting 3 different items for you. So it's a little bundle deal now. And the one that I got was this little comb bundle deal. It came with this set of 2 combs, and I actually needed these type of combs just because since I part my hair down the middle now, I've been wanting one of these just because it'll be 10 times easier for me to part my hair this way, and it's always good to have a good set of combs. And I don't have combs, all I have is brushes, and I've been wanting a wide tooth comb for the shower just because I have a mini travel size of a wet brush that I keep in the shower, and I brush through my hair while I'm rinsing out the conditioner in my hair just to go ahead and get a good majority of the tangles out of my hair before I put it in a towel. That way it's easier to brush out once it's dry. But I kind of realized it's kind of gross because it's just a brush that's sitting in the shower and it's just holding water, and I was just like, that just probably not the most sanitary thing. So I'm glad I haven't been doing that for a long time. So now we have a comb. This is probably a cleaner and probably gentler option to begin with anyway for using on my hair while I'm in the shower. Then this bundle came with a eyelash curler. Not gonna lie, eyelash curlers low-key terrify me, mainly because when I was younger, my mom and my grandma sold Avon. My grandma was really good at it. She sold it for years, but she gave me an a battery-powered eyelash curler. It, like, the part that curls your eyelashes was like heated to help like curl them. Me, being a dumb 13-year-old, was just like, oh, I'm gonna make them super curly and I'm gonna hold this here for like 20 seconds. Y'all, I burnt my eyelashes off. My eyelashes were so short. So ever since then, eyelash curlers have low-key terrified me, because I've also seen girls to where, like, if they push hard enough on them, it just kind of like cuts them. So low-key scared. I do use eyelash curlers every now and then, very gently, but I don't use them often, mainly because they terrify me. And then it also came with the replacement little piece for the end. Of last part of this little bundle deal is the Dr. Rogers Restore Lip Balm. I know I've heard of Dr. Rogers, and I feel like it's a popular brand, so I'm really curious about this. Let's peel back this safety seal and try her out. Because not gonna lie, I am happy with good old chapstick brand chapstick. I know people think I'm crazy. Specifically, the original chapstick, like the chapsticks, I think it's just called the original scent. It's the black one, the one that comes in the black tube. And the main reason it's my favorite is because that is the chapstick my grandpa used. So it just reminds me of him. And like, he always had like this like little lanyard thing that came with his chapstick one day that literally like held your chapstick in it, and you just pulled it out, put it on, put it back in. He had it hanging from his rearview mirror, and so I don't know, it reminds me of him. So I really like the original chapstick. Anyway, this doesn't really have a scent, maybe a slight herbal scent. Excuse the noises in the background. I emptied my ice maker yesterday filling up a cooler, and it has been spending all day trying to refill the ice bin, so that's what all those noises are. It has a slight herbally scent. Let's see. Now the cats are running everywhere. Doesn't really have a scent or a flavor, which I'm okay with. It's just odd with chapsticks these days. but it feels good. And I'm realizing as I'm rubbing my lips together right now, my lips are really chapped. Oh my goodness. I was just about to say that was it, but I accidentally skipped over this guy here. So this was actually an add-on that I added to my box. So before your box ships out, you have the option to add add-ons to your box. It's just things you could buy at a cheaper price to add on top of the price of your box. And a little secret trick that I have learned, if you guys want to listen, if you are a seasonal subscriber and not an annual subscriber, anybody who adds an add-on to their box or all annual members, all of those boxes ship out together first, then seasonal members boxes ship out. So if you go in and pick a cheap add-on, your box will ship out, it's almost like a month sooner. Like I swear I see people getting their FabFitFun box who are annual subscribers like a month before I'll get mine in the mail. So I started adding a cheap little add-on to my box every month so I get it a month sooner, mainly because I'm impatient. So if you're not impatient, I guess you don't really have to worry, but I am. I'm impatient. And I've been wanting one of these little makeup headbands. It's the little microfiber cosmetic headbands. And of course, right after I added this to my box online, I actually bought one at Ulta, mainly because it was on clearance. It has cat ears on it. And if y'all know me, I love cats, but it is white, so it's probably one of those I won't use as often just because it is white and it'll get dirty, and this will be more of my everyday go-to one. Now on the other end of it, it came with the matching makeup removing cloth. Oh, it's a cloth. I thought it was like little rounds. So it's essentially like a makeup eraser on the other end, like a matching makeup eraser. Oh, okay. I thought it was like the little rounds. I love it. Okay, so one thing I do have beef with the makeup erasers is they are like more rectangular, they're long and skinny. And I like this because it's big enough to where like I can put my entire hand underneath it and like really just like, I don't know, get more area coverage. This is really soft. I'm really excited to try this. It's might be softer than the makeup eraser. I don't know, I'll have to compare. I have a brand new makeup eraser in my bathroom that I haven't opened up yet, so I might have to compare these, but oh, I've never noticed that. Okay, so like it's a makeup eraser on one side, but then this side says use this side to exfoliate. And I've always been curious about that because I definitely I use these to take off, like if I put a mud mask on my face, I will use these to get them off my face. So I was always curious as to like whether this would be beneficial to use to actually wash my face. So I guess they're good for exfoliating too. So now I've got another makeup eraser to go with my headband. But that is it. That was inside my box. I do have some beef with FabFitFun though. I did mention in my last FabFitFun unboxing that I was upset that they took out in the catalog where it said your box could be valued at between X number of dollars and X number of dollars. And so I had to go through and add everything up to get the total. Now they don't even show you the price of the individual items anymore. It showed you every possible item that you could get in the box and what the retail value was of each item. And it really showed you just how much money you were saving by getting that product in the subscription box versus going to the store and individually buying it. And they're not doing that anymore, and it makes me sad because that part was so satisfying to me. I don't know if it's just me, if it's anybody else. I could be crazy and that just could be like a weird satisfying thing for me. But I did go on to my account and it does show you some items. It doesn't show you all. So it showed me my 4 choice items and then the little bundle. The only thing it didn't show me was the Heineken and the Pure Louise, and I'm guessing that's just because everybody got those. But still, I would like to know the total value of each item. Heineken I probably really don't care about, but I'm curious about how much the face mask costs. But on my account, I went and looked it up and I wrote it down. The blanket that I got was a $60 value. The Coach necklace and earring set was a $125 value. The collagen was a $25 value. The hat was a $48 value, and the comb eyelash curler and chapstick bundle was a $60 value. Everything together in my box was a grand total of $355.98 value. So you really do get a really good deal with these boxes. You get so much product for the $49.99, $49.95, essentially $50 that you pay every month for the subscription. I'm just so sad they took that out. That was probably one of the most fun parts about this. It's just, I don't know. I've always been the type of person to where, like, I love saving money. If I can use a coupon, I'm gonna use a coupon because I love a good deal. They're just taking my joy away. Taking my joy away. But that is it, and that's all I have for you guys today. I hope you enjoyed. Comment below and let me know what you got in your box, and let me know what you think about the new style of the catalog. Like, are you just as upset as me, or am I just weird? I might just be weird, but that's all I have for you guys. I'll see you next time. Bye.